Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got a little beauty queen to show you today. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. This is a 2015 Freightliner M2. Yeah, she's a crew cab. And she's got a really long flatbed on it. I believe that's a 26-footer, but check the website just to make sure. Look at there, alloy wheels. Look at the tires on that. Alloy wheels. Got the factory fog lights on it. Straight, beautiful truck. I love these mirrors. Nobody's gonna sneak up on you alongside of you when you got those things on. Gorgeous truck. Hey, it's got two of those fuel tanks on it there. One on the other side to go along with it. Yes, it does take DEF. And it's got a Morgan body on it. How can you beat that? Absolutely gorgeous. Perfect deck on it. Got a nice little toolbox on it right here. Yep, there's no rust on that. We don't do rust here at HD Trucks. So, look at the rear tires on that girl. Oh man. I don't know, this thing's probably got $3,000 worth of tires on it. Alloy wheels all the way around. It's got your mud flaps, got everything you need. It's got a little step set right there so you can get up on back of the thing without killing yourself. It's got the bumps if you're going to back into a loading dock. Nice 48-inch aluminum platform, self-leveling lift. And look at this. Yep. You don't see that very often on a truck with a lift gate. I like that. Hey, it's got the steps on both sides. I didn't even notice that. Look how nice this works. See, it self-levels first, and then it goes up and down, all that kind of stuff. It stores up underneath. It's a tuck under. Such a nice set. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Hey, it's got a whole bunch of these on it right there. Looks like there's probably 2, 4, 6, 8 of them, I guess, right there. Look at that under that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at here. It's even got the tire chucks. Yeah, if you're going to go up against a loading dock, you got safety chucks. Hey, you got the headache rack right there. Morgan all the way. Running boards all the way. Crew cab, like I said. Look at this. Look at the condition. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Perfect little truck. This thing is so nice, it's ridiculous. Looks like this here, if you flip this, something happens. It probably either goes up or down, one or the other. And, all right, on the front of the cab, look at this right here. This thing is so clean. Unbelievable. Dave, where do you find these rust-free? Look at this, it's like new. Hey guys, earlier I said this is a 15. I'm sorry. This is actually a 2017 model. But look at this. This thing is so clean. Look at the floorboards. I love all the lighting in here. Holy mackerel. Hey, you got a 3-passenger seat with this 2-passenger bench. Looks like there's owner's manuals in there for you. There's extra storage. Hey, I even see a fire extinguisher. There you go. You don't have to worry about getting caught without that, at least, right? And it's such a pretty truck. All the way from the alloys. Look at these. I love these fender mount mirrors. Nobody's going to sneak up on you. You can't beat a Freightliner. Look at there. It's even got the factory fog lights on it. Such a beautiful, beautiful truck. Look at this. Man, this is a nice unit. Such a nice clean truck. Look at this all the way. Hey, you don't got one of them there handles, so that means you don't even have to do that. It's got power windows. There's your power mirrors right there. There's your cruise control right there. Oh, let's see what all do we have here. Mercy sakes alive. Got a nice little sound system. Yep. Works just the way it's supposed to. Air brakes, air dump because it does have air ride rear suspension, air conditioning, extra switches, power mirror, power windows, power door locks, automatic transmission sitting right there. Allison, of course. There's a little thing right there that you step on to adjust your steering wheel for wherever you want it there, tilt wheel. There's your air weight gauge right there. That'll tell you what you're lifting. Has a power supply for the lift gate on back. And here's one of the best things. I'm going to just kind of go through these for you. Hopefully I can, let's see, can I do it this way? I can. So we're going to just hit the buttons here. Where is it? There it is. Because I want you to see this. Look at there. That's got a whole 36,000 miles and a whole 1,500 hours. Mercy sakes, Dave, that truck's like new. Yeah, I agree with you, it is. Beautiful. Such a pretty truck. Air ride driver's side seat right there. This truck's got more than should be allowed by law. And let's see, GVW on him, if you can't read that sideways, is 33,000. So if you don't load it up that high, you don't have to have CDL as long as you're under 26,000. 26,001 anyway. Such a beautiful truck, 2015 Freightliner M2 with hardly 80 miles on it, hardly any usage. It's got the crew cab, it's got a at least a 24-foot deck, it's got a 48-inch aluminum power Watco lift gate on it. I just don't know what more to tell you about it, guys. She's pretty, and she's like new, and she's waiting for you. If you could use this truck, you give me a call. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, hey, we greatly appreciate you looking.